guys, I'm feeling quite sassy and really bad. Just joking, I'm not gonna say it. But let me just tell you, I was using a mascara from one of my subscription boxes, like from last month. I'm like very lightly doing my lashes and it's flinging all over the place. So if things are splotchy and everything, like, yeah, I'm well aware, okay? So we are back with another Temu haul. You guys keep requesting that I continue these on all of my channels. I hear you, I see you, and here we are. You guys know I absolutely love Temu. It is actually an app that you can download that has everything. And it was so funny because one of you guys had said, isn't it funny that on our Temu app, it's like jewelry, clothes, shoes, and then like completely opposite of the things that our husbands find. I could not agree with you more. Like the things that my husband and my son have found, I'm like, I didn't even know they offered that. So, and then the stuff that I find and then my kiddos, like my daughters find and everything, complete opposite of what they're finding. So anyways, when it comes to Temu, they truly do have an array of things. My favorite is the jewelry, and one of you guys actually did request, I think it's called the 925 Moissanite jewelry from Temu. So I added a bunch of those to my cart. So probably in February you guys will see that. I've done a ton of hauls over here with the jewelry, some of which is the Moissanite, and I can just tell you guys right now, the certified Moissanite jewelry from Temu, amazing. So good. Temu does offer free shipping, free returns, and free price adjustments. They do offer lightning deals all the time, and they have sales going on all the time. And yes, my pillowcase, that is from Temu as well. I just got some new ones for Valentine's Day to put on these and over here, so those I need to just do. As always, everything's going to be linked and listed down below for y'all, and if by chance I forget to put a link, just let me know in the comment section. I will do my best to get back to you all with those links and coupon codes if I forgot to say. Let's go ahead and jump in. I'm really excited. I don't know what it is, but I can just see it, and I think it's like an organizer bin, and it is really cute. When it comes to Temu's organization, you guys, don't skimp out. Oh my gosh. It is a 2-pack basket organizer. A set of 2, but one's larger and one's smaller. FYI, these did come, I do believe, in other colors. They're kind of like a foldable, flexible basket, but they're sturdy. So it's not gonna fold down like just if it's sitting here. You know what I mean? So that, I'm happy about that because I use these in my closet to organize. These are great for the kids. They had it in pink and white. I'll be putting it in my beauty room. This is actually something for my husband because he's gonna be like, really? You're just throwing me under the bus left and right, aren't you? Okay, so this is like eyebrow scissors, or at least that's what I got them for. And by the way, thank you to Temu for letting me pick out all of these goodies if I have not already said that since I've been interrupted. But look, so his eyebrows grow out pretty long and only in random spots. So I always have to go in there and trim them for him. So I was like, when I saw these on Temu, I was like, say less, we need those in our life. The random finds. Okay, so this is actually another piece of jewelry. I told you guys, I think I hauled it like 2 videos ago, maybe, the necklaces. You cannot beat the price of the necklaces at Temu, especially if you're into the layering. So this is a really cute couple bucks. And when I tell you guys, it is less expensive. I don't know if we can, there we go. There we go. It's less expensive to get your jewelry from Temu than it is anywhere else, like for the fashion jewelry. So I love this. It has a dainty little heart. This would be a cute little Valentine's gift. And then the last Temu haul I did, they actually sell like little jewelry boxes, so you could easily put that into the little box and then gift it. Would be really cute. And then I got like the little plastic containers, and I put those things in the little plastic containers and then store them that way. It makes life so much easier. They don't get tangled up. The next thing that I picked out, is actually one for Haley's wedding, and it's like a little seating chart type of dealio. So when I tell you that they have things, they have craft things, wedding things, seasonal decor out the wazoo. So these are like these little, I'm not gonna take them all out, but you can see like right here you've got the little setup and then the little frame, and then it comes with like the little chalk markers or whatever they're called, and you can write. So I thought these would be really cute to use either for her wedding or for her bridal party or bridal shower. I thought that would be really cutesy. And then like if you want to do it at like the cocktail table or the hors d'oeuvre table, whatever the food is, kind of dealio. Okay, so these I picked out because you guys know, last year organized my beauty room. Did you know that they have little acrylic containers? They have little acrylic like lipstick holders. This I got because I thought it would be cute to display different palettes that, like right now, I'm not gonna lie to you all, I use my Unconditional palette literally every day since I've created it, and I'm like, okay, I think I probably should be using other. My kitty cat is using her cat scratcher, so if you hear funny noises, that's what it is. But I do use Jottie's palette a lot too, but I always just go with like the same 3 palettes. It's my Unconditional palette, my Project Influencer 2022 palette, and then Jottie's palette. So I thought these would be cute to display, but I also want to put other ones to display and then maybe entice myself to use them. I don't know. FYI, Ulta has now restocked my palette over there at Ulta.com. So thank you once again to you guys for selling that out over there. But it is a set of 3. You can buy them individual if you want. Let me show you guys. And once again, this is, oh, the kitty cat is going potty. So if you guys see her, let me zoom you guys in a little bit. So see, how nice is that? So you can get multiples if you want, but if you are trying to organize your beauty room or just your life in general, check out Temu's section. Some of the things I had shopped around, Temu came out a better deal. Gotta love the lightning deals, because with the lightning deals, if that goes on sale, guess who's getting a price adjustment? You're right. I got a pack of 4. We love that. When your ultra human ring tells you now's a good time to taper off from caffeine. You don't own me. Look at all these little goodies. All right, so this is a pair of earrings. So like I was telling you guys, 2 of my kids take ASL classes weekly, and so I got these. They're like little I love you earrings. Isn't that so cute? They came, I think, in other colors too, if you were interested, but yeah, I'm excited about that. Girl. You stink. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. That was another interruption. But when she goes potty, like, I'm on it. I clean it. And I do want to ask you guys, those of you that have kitty cats, the litter that I've been using is that Dr. Something Attract litter. Since she was like an outdoor cat that we adopted, she uses the litter box. She's great. But I've been seeing these litter box robot boxes or something, and I was curious, like, are those legit? Like, they're stupid expensive, but I've seen some that were a lot less expensive. So let me know down below if you guys have a kitty cat. She's over on her perch right now. So anyways, oh, FYI, fun little fact, I do save the Temu bags and I reuse them for when I'm cleaning out her cat box. So, all right, so we are back to the jewelry, because you guys know your girl loves the Temu jewelry. So let me show you guys those. This is in a size 6, I think. All right, so this is a cubic zirconia, but like I may or may not have said, I don't know, I've been interrupted so many times, my brain is, well, you know how it is. This is a cubic zirconia. This is not the moissanite, but this is very pretty. Nice little emerald cut with accents of little channel set diamonds, well, cubic zirconias. Very, very pretty. Oh, by the way, there's the pink blanket. You guys, that thing is so cozy. I've already washed it. I washed it on regular wash and then dried it on low. Fluffy still, super cozy. Size 6, in case I forgot to tell you guys. Oh, we got another set. You guys, I can't. For like under $5, how can you not? Oh my gosh, this is really pretty too. See, I like doing these kind too. They're stackable ones. And I will actually wear these bands with other rings. Like, I'll show you. Here, this comes all together. And it's different size ring, like channel sets. Okay, see? So you can stack it however you want, which that's even really pretty, but you know I'm gonna put it with that. We'll put this big one on. See, this is the fun of having all the different Temu jewelry. So it kind of leaves a space, but if you put the one that it's supposed to go with, this, yeah, that one sits up enough that it kind of rests on there. Very cute. I'd say that's what, maybe a carat center. Pretty though. That's a cute little set. But you could also, like when I went out west, I used one of the Temu bands and I just sported that. I just don't like to take chances when I travel with my real jewelry, so I have a lot of the Temu jewelry. I wish this one, you can kind of put it over there, but it definitely isn't meant. But I mean, that, I'm gonna sport it like that. I like that. Wonder, what if you sandwiched it in? I could sit and play in jewelry forever. I always talk about service merchandise, y'all. Back in the 90s, like my mom used to work there, and then I started working there when I got older, and I would just sit and play in jewelry. Like, that's kind of a fun style too, isn't it? So this is actually, you could use this as an ornament, or you can hang it up in the car. But I thought this would be really cute as an ornament. I need to pick up more because I thought it would be cute to put my kid's name on there. So it comes with like the little thing. I gotta feed it through, and then you take the plastic off. But I thought it would be cute to put like Haley's name on there, you know, and then that could be like a Christmas ornament. I'm always thinking holidays, guys. I can't not. That's just who I am as a person. So let me put that back in there, and then I need to pick up another one of these so I can get it for my other baby child. But that was my whole thought with these. I mean, you could also hang this in your, like, off your rear view mirror or something. Like, I just think these little things are such cute gifts. All right, we've got earrings because I love coffee. So, and these are really inexpensive, and I really like the way that they shipped these. Like, how nice is this? So on the back, you've got little cushy things, but look at this. You know how much I love coffee. If I could afford Starbucks every day, you know I would, but I can't, so here we are. Aren't those cute? This actually came in other colors as well, but it looks like little Starbucks lattes. All right, and as you guys know, Haley loves mushrooms. So I got these little gibbets for her. It's like 3 packs of these little gibbets that I picked out to put on her Crocs because she is a Croc lover like me. So I thought these would be fun to put on there. Once again, really good gifts that you could put, like, save for stockings or whatnot. Isn't that so cute for the coffee lover or the Starbucks queen? Like, hello. Isn't that precious? I just think these are so cute. I think they even came in other colors as well. And then I noticed they did send it in another color. So yay, I can give one to each of my baby children. It is in silver, the little I love you. Oh no, this is a mushroom. So, okay, these are for Haley. They're little stud mushrooms. Isn't that so cute? I love, love, love. That is everything for today's Temu haul. As always, everything is going to be linked and listed down below for you all. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I told you guys, I will be back with some moissanite picks. And of course, let me know some other things you'd like me to haul from Temu. If for some reason I have missed something down below in the link section, don't worry. Leave me a comment. I will do my best to get back to you guys on that. Anyways, also check me out over on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Mama of 4. Thank you to Temu for letting me pick out these things and show today on the channel. I greatly, greatly appreciate y'all's support. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!